If you have created your account from my last video, this is your next CRM skill. Hello, my name is Kemi Sola. Welcome back to my channel. I talk so much about CRM, cloud engineering, and empowering girls in the tech space. Welcome. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get to the real deal of today. Last week, we started a mini series on the CRM project where we are exploring MailChimp as a CRM account for complete beginners in the CRM space. In the last video, we created a MailChimp account, we verified it, and we explored the channels, the campaigns, the automations, the audience list, the contact list, and all that. Now, before you send emails or communications or campaigns, you need data. In real CRM jobs, you never send out campaigns or messages out to empty data. There is always a data that needs to be used for your communication. We will create sample customer data like first name, last name, email, phone number, maybe user ID, and as well the customer type. Are they new? Are they returning? Are they dormant? We need to generate that customer type so that we can build different campaigns based on the type of customer that they are. Once the dummy data is ready, we will upload it to our MailChimp account, and this will serve as our customer data. This is the foundation of CRM flows. We will be working mainly with this dummy data that I will be generating and the same data that you will be generating. Follow and save this video and make sure you do not miss it. So now let's go to ChatGPT and create this dummy account together. And while doing that, I will be showing you how to prompt on ChatGPT. Are you ready? Follow me. So let's go to our ChatGPT and prompt write. Just like I mentioned in my video, you need to prompt write in ChatGPT to get exactly what you want. Now, just see what I'm writing. I gave ChatGPT my personnel, which is I am a CRM beginner and a learner. Then I gave ChatGPT the content, which is I need some data that I need to upload on this new MailChimp that I'm using. And also, I give ChatGPT the task, which is you need to generate data for me. You need to give me data, their username, their name, the email, user ID, and mobile phone number, and this was generated easily for me. Can you see? But here I forgot to put email, so I had to tell ChatGPT to give me also the fake emails, which was fully generated for me. And once this is done, you are going to copy this data and put it on your Excel sheet. So when you do that, you are going to save it at CSV because we are uploading this data. You are going to save it as CSV. Now, after this has been done, let's move on to our MailChimp account and log into this account. I log in, find the audience, and then I'm going to upload everything on my account. I hope you are following what I'm doing and I hope you are doing this right. But in case you are having any issues, please kindly comment and let's resolve this together. The last time I had to jump on a video meet with somebody that we just had to open our account together. Thankfully, it was successful. So if you're having any issues, please do not forget to comment and let's get this done. And subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please. So I'm here in the contacts and I'm just exploring the page. But right now, let's focus on why we are here. We are here to add contacts. we are going to be importing the content, and see, it's going to give us a lot of options. Are you coming from shop are you going to upload your data from Shopify? Are you going to do this from are you importing from another platform, or do you want to upload a file? But we will be uploading a file, so let's focus on uploading this file. But here you have different means of importing your contact. So if you are even moving from the CRM tool to this one, it's going to be easy for you. So let's see, there's a tutorial here on how to upload data. In case you're having any issues, you can watch the tutorial to get this right. Now let's organize our audience. This audience, we're going to be naming it Misola in the cloud. And then we are going to be creating tags, which is to identify our customers. What are tags? Tags are like label. Now they are telling us to pick from the popular one. Do we want to pick customer or influencer or members? We picked customer for this data, and we will be matching it to the right tags. So first name should be first name, surname, last name, email address, and phone numbers. This is to get your personalizations right. Anytime you want to send out personalized campaigns to your customers, so you are not calling my name Kemisola and you are calling my name Fola Kemi or something. This is just to make sure that your personalizations are correct all the way, all through your campaigns. So let's import, and you can see all those tags, all these details that need to be filled right while you are uploading your data. Now we are importing, and we filled some issues. There are some issues like 20 errors were encountered, and that is the data that we generated from ChatGPT. So I had to download the errors to know what happened. And the errors are because all the emails are in at example.email. You remember we all generated fake emails, right? So they are all in all at email.com, at example.com, instead of being at yahoo.com, gmail.com, and all that. But to solve this error, all I'm going to do is to be replacing at example.com with at hotmail.com. Hoping this does not go to some people that will be using this email as their main email. But any communications we will be sending to that data, I will make sure that we let them know this is a test, you can ignore. You get? So right, let's upload this new updated data again, because I have actually changed the hotmail to at I've changed the at example email to at hotmail.com, and then we are going to have a very good import report, unlike the last one where we encountered some errors. We are facing the same setup again, tagging them, and then we continue. Make sure that the transfers are correct, just like the last time. Everything is mapped to the right tags and no errors in personalizations. So let's go and import. Wish us success, guys. Let's go, drum. Mm. Successful! Yeah, clap for yourself. You need to clap for yourself. If you did not ginger, you ginger yourself. Yes, please clap for yourself, because this means that your data is ready. Everything is ready for you to work with. And this is the data that we will be working with on this mini project that we are working on. So if you have any issues, or you think you're still facing some issues, please comment, contact me, send a DM, and let's work on this together. Let's make sure that everything is sorted so that your project can go live. Right now, we have everything mapped to the right places. Everything is in the right places: the name, the email, the mobile number, and everything. You can see all the setup, the user ID, which is fake, the customer type, which is fake, but we have the data to work with, and it makes me absolutely happy. I'm just exploring and to let you guys know that we will be making progress in our next video.
which is setting up campaign. This time, we're going to be focusing on the new customers and the type of communications that we will be sending to them. Clap for yourself once again. You've done an amazing job in uploading your data.
I hope you have been following and you've been able to create your audience and you've been able to upload it to your MailChimp account. It is as simple as ABC, and this is why I'm breaking this series down into as long as possible so that we can all get this project done together. Please comment, like, and share. Let's start this your journey to being a technical CRM manager in any industry you find yourself. I remain Kemisola. Please comment, like, and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and to this community that both of us are trying to build together. Do have a nice day.